to Wolf Creek Toys. Today let's check out some toys. Today let's check out some of these Shang-Chi and the Legend of Ten Rings Marvel mystery boxes. So it's like a brick that you have to chop open and there's a mystery character inside. Hey River, let's chop them open.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, we got it. It's made out of cotton, I believe. Open it. There's a few guys in. You got these guys. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Got somebody else. Let's see who that guy is. Who's he?
Oh, that's the main character, I think. I think this is Shang-Chi. Cool.
My turn.
Okay, Audrey, your turn.
Let's see.
Let's see. These are like the little creatures that lived in the place where Shang-Chi is from. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Chop it. Wow.
We also got some guys.
See who the mystery guy is.
Alright. So,
Let's see who the mystery guy is.
this is not a guy. I'm lucky.
Oh, you got the girl? Look at the box. Who is she? Tell us.
Doesn't say that.
Oh, does it? Okay. Oh, we gotta figure it out later. Okay.
Your turn.
Let's see. Who are you gonna chop open now? Okay, let's see that karate chop.
Oh. Let's see what mystery character is. We know it all comes in full size.
There's these kind of like bright glowy guys. Let's see who the mystery person is. Who is it? Oh, it's something different. Good. Let's see. Oh, okay. Is one of the warriors, or maybe this is the main bad guy? I'm not sure. Oh, that's Shang-Chi's dad. He's the one with the 10 rings in the beginning of the movie. That's right. Okay, Audrey, go ahead. Your turn. Let's see that karate chop.
Okay, I just do it my hand. Okay. Hi! Whoa, that was seriously good. Let's see who our mystery
Let's see who the mystery character is. Let's see. Don't keep. Oh, let me see. I think this is like maybe just one of the bad guys, like a bad guy ninja or something.
Go ahead. There's one more. I think it. Let's open your bricks. I don't know why. Every one of them comes with these guys. Open your brick.
Oh, so strong. Wow. Give it one more good chop. You got it. Oh.
Let's see what's inside your mystery bags, okay?
Let's see who's in there. Let's hope for we got somebody different. No doubles. Cross your fingers.
No doubles.
No doubles. No doubles. Who is it? Oh, it's Shang-Chi again. That's okay. So he's the main character, so that's all right. Is he doing a different pose? Oh, he's doing the same pose. Oh, he's doing the same kicking pose. Oh, is it? Let me see. Oh, look, it's two different Shang-Chi. They're doing different poses. That's kind of cool. Okay, we'll take a closer look at it later. Okay. Audrey, go ahead. Get your brick out. Let's see.
Okay, the last karate chop we are both gonna do. Please don't be Shang. Please don't be Shang. We've got another gift.
Oh, awesome. Oh, this is Shang-Chi's partner. Awesome. So we got a lot of different ones. Cool.
Cracker.
Alright, so let's check out our Shang-Chi Karate Chop mystery box haul today. We got two Shang-Chi's in different poses. We have his dad, who's got the 10 rings. One of these bad guys, his sister, and his friend who is shooting the arrow. Alright, let's take a little closer look.
Where's the 10 rings? Where's the 10 rings?
He's holding it. You don't see it? Those blue things?
What?
They're supposed to be different rings, but it's all together, right? Look. Whoa. Hiya. Oh yeah, they're gonna fight. How are they gonna fight? Let me see. Alright, let me see. How do they fight? Like that? It also comes with these, one color figures.
This looks like Willy Wonka.
I guess these are like the bad guys.
Looks like Willy Wonka.
Audrey, everybody looks like Willy Wonka to you. Huh? Everybody who has straight bangs is Willy Wonka. I'm gonna give you straight bangs.
And people are gonna say me.
Okay, so what do we say now?
Watch. Okay, well, it's the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy. Bye bye, guys.
River, you wanna say bye to your audience? I guess not. Okay, bye everybody.
Watch this cool thing.
Let me see.
What's this?
Let me see a cool thing.
What's this?
Show us a cool thing.
Oh, I fell off. Ha ha! I win.